Thank you for choosing the Thermaduct Lineset Portal for your application. The following is an overview of installation practices designed to get your project off on the right foot. Our product is easy to install, so let's begin. After you've installed our insulated curb, apply the complete Thermaduct Lineset Portal over the building opening. Our curbs are available in a standard size or an optional extended height with extra room for mounting. Using gasketed screws, secure the portal to the curb opening. We're about to remove the top section, so at this point we advise marking your portal to reinstall later. Remove the top section's gasketed screws and lift the rigid foam piece off of the portal. Set these aside carefully for future use. Our Lineset Portal is designed to allow multiple rows of pipe divided on each side in individual, organized tracks. You will notice a metal comb with an insulated backing. Cut the insulation along the metal to create areas to install pipe. You are now ready to install line sets, piping, and electrical conduit. Working with team members inside the building, pass conduit through the curb opening to the desired interior location. These can be used in full line set lengths, depending on the need of your application. Once your line has reached its desired location, carefully bend your piping down into the insulated comb to keep your installation both neat and organized. When all your piping and line sets have been run, reinstall the rigid foam top section using the gasketed screws. And that's it. You now have a fully insulated line set and pipe portal, able to take your rooftop organization to the next level. For those applications that include electrical conduit, our optional extended curb gives extra elevation off of the roofline. This allows you to mount electrical shutoffs right where you need them. Thanks for your time today. To see these installation benefits on your next project, talk to your local Thermaduct representative or visit us online at www.thermaduct.com.